Bear with. Posting on some socials. Right. There we go. That'll do. Right, let me just double check the audio level. Yeah, they're fine. Yeah. So, yes, we're going to be doing some more work on the plugin. I am currently in the process of working on specifically the layouts. So the bank system is, so the flow, let's say, for the in-game bank system. So let's pretend you've interacted with an NPC or like a bank rep. And this menu shows up. This one. Ask them what do you want to do? Do you want to deposit or do you want to withdraw something? So you pick that. Then the idea is you'll then pick what you want to either deposit or withdraw. These options will be based on what you've got set up in the plugin. So it'll be, in this case, items, equipment, money, or the custom currency, if you've set one up. So you pick one of them. If you pick either of the currency related ones, we'll take you straight to a quantity selection window, where you'll pick an amount and then it'll either deposit or withdraw based on whatever you picked first. And then the other side of it, which I haven't set up yet, I'm going to come on to that another time, I think, are these ones, where what I have in my head is there'll be two windows on the left and right. Left being stuff that's in your inventory, and the right being what's in the bank. Actually, no. No, I won't be able to do that because you won't be able to toggle between them. So I think what it'll have to be is one window where it'll either be your inventory if you've chosen to deposit, or the bank's inventory if you've chosen to withdraw. And then obviously you select the item you want to deposit or withdraw. If there's multiple of said item, we'll show up with a quantity selector. And then bish bosh bosh, things will have been either added or removed. So right now, let's have a look, see what we've got. Right, so this person here is my bank rep. They are what trigger the display to show up. Ignore that. That is just my bad stuff. So yeah, we've got this bit showing up. Can obviously deposit or withdraw. I don't think any of that really makes a difference at the moment. And I have these bits responding. None of these do anything when you select them. But you can go back and close that off. Yeah, that's working. I'm fine. And then, like I say, those options on the category selection will respond based on the things you've got set up in here. So now, theoretically, I now have only 2 options instead of 4. Look at that. Almost like I know what I'm doing sometimes. Right. I left myself some to-dos in the code so I can try and remember what I needed to finish. So, we're in the bank category options. Yes, okay, I remember. Right. So what I need to do is figure out what has been selected and show up the correct screen. Because obviously we've got 2 different flows. If you pick a currency one, we go straight to a quantity selection, how much currency you want to deposit or withdraw. Whereas if you click items or equipment, we take you to a different screen. So I need to figure out what option you've picked and show the right screen. My initial issue that I'm going to have is, as you've seen, the options can change based on what the plugin setup is. So I can't rely on using the indexes because the indexes aren't always going to be the same. And likewise, I can't immediately rely on the name because the name of the custom currency and the name of the money can be different for every project. The only constants in terms of names are items and equipment. So, that is the first problem I need to figure out a solution to. So let us have a think. Actually, just completely off topic. I want to add some text on my stream just above the video so people know what that is. Ultimate Modular Swords. That is what it's called. Yeah, Ultimate Modular Swords. Yeah, that is right. Pretty sure the offer is on until 6th. Yes, it is. Okay. So let's zoom that in a bit. Filters. Edit filters. Scroll. Limit the width. Go with 300? No, 400. Or 50. Yeah, okay. Horizontal speed. Oh, yeah. Go with 55. I want to give it outline. And then just pop that here. And now, if I just double check my stream, so that obviously looks fine there. And if I go to Bakin, where it's a lot brighter, should hopefully still be visible because of the outline. Okay. Yeah, that'll do. Actually, will it? No, not that. This. Properties. Outline size. Double the outline size. Oh yeah, there we go. Now it's much easier to see. Okay. Yeah, that'll do. And then let's do that. Oh. Alright. So determine the selected category and its category type. And display the relevant screen next. So how do we go about doing that? Well, first we need to wrap it in an if statement because we only want to be doing any of this stuff if the player has pressed the action button. And the layout handler dot is in state category select. Alrighty. Actually, let me just have a look. Oh, well, theoretically, no, I don't need these. Because we don't call this method unless we are in that state. But no, that is fine to stay off. Makes it a bit more easier to read. Right. Now then, let's think. How can we determine the options available? I could add tags to them. That might not be a bad shout. So, in my layout handler, what we do when we initially boot up the game, assuming you're using the bank system plugin, is we set up the layout with the relevant options based on what you're choosing to store on the bank system plugin. This is where we do that. So, yeah. Search tag. Let me have a think. Do we only use this here? No, we've got it used in 2 different places. Yeah, because it's used to determine the size as well. Okay. Okay. What I'm going to do... Public dictionary. String. Get stored types as dictionary. Types, yeah, new dictionary. And it's going to be very similar to this. Except it's going to be, so add in this case wants a key and a value. So that is going to be the key. This will be actions. What did I call it? It's in this, I think, isn't it? It's a public enum. It's a category type. Object. String. Okay. I want to do that instead. That is going to be dot key, as well these two. This will be type in use dot key. No, I need this as a string. Type dot key. Go with an underscore, because why not? Okay. No, I don't want that first bit actually. Category. I have an idea. Yeah, that'll do. Okay, so at this point, we can grab the selected thing of selected category is going to be layout handler dot layout or get select menu item. That's going to return the menu item of whatever's been selected. And then we will do if helper dot has item has tag. No, that's not what I want. Tag. Get tag content. So that's going to be selected category. It's the ROM item. String to find is going to be category. Oh, is that not a menu item? Yeah, okay, that makes sense. Alright, screw it. Let's get... where's my help? Oh yeah, it's a different solution. Bakin plugins. Last library. This one. This one. Just an open it in a new window. Making updates to the helper as we go. I imagine this is probably going to complain about this sort of stuff. Because it needs dependencies adding. Diagnose reference. Okay, refactor. No, yeah, okay. Right. Reference. Oh, yeah, what's that say? Oh, no, never mind. Okay. Yeah, okay, so it can't find those, so we'll tell it where to find them. Right here. So, we want Bakin engine, we want common, and sharp AMY core. Right, those are now in there. Add those references. Just gonna refresh. Need to clean it. Maybe I need to delete these first and re-add them. Oops. Yeah, there we go. Happy days. Cool. Right, that's that sword. So, in our helper class, we have a number of things, number of helpful things. Right, we are going to get tag contents.
Mic off. Mic on.
Okay. Okay. So I'll make another overload of this. Public string get tag contents. This one is going to take a menu item. Plus a string. Oh wait. Item. No. Menu item. And then string tag to find. That is then going to call get tag. That will call get tag on menu item dot search tag with tag to find. Alrighty. Get the contents of a given tag from a given menu item. The menu item to retrieve. Nah. Menu item. Yeah. Okay, that's from tag to given menu item. Representation of tag given contents. Okay. Let's build that. Ooh, we have builders. Unable to copy. What's the error saying? I can't even read it. Unable to copy. Okay, it doesn't have permission. OneDrive, Bakin plugins, class library output. Right, that's okay. I just need to adjust the permissions, I guess. Bakin plugins, class library output. Properties. Not read only. Again. Still the same thing. Access denied. Okay. Let me try again. Bakin plugins in general. It is not read-only. What about now? Still unhappy. Let me, just out of curiosity, clean the solution, rebuild it. Nope, still unhappy. Okay. Hey. Right, class library, output. Oh, manage access. No, that is right. Only one person has access. That is. Oh yeah, I suppose it's not me performing the action, which is why it's unhappy. Interesting. Oh wait, it's set to read only again. Right, let me try that. I've just made a different change. Ugh, that is frustrating. Maybe I need to update. Alright, is it this one? Might be. I think it. Moment. No, it's not this. Oh, it's been a while since I've had to do this. Right, let me have a look. Let me Google it. Right, bear with, I'm just looking through. I suppose I can show these. Let me drag over what I'm looking at right now. Right. Oh, here we are. Looks interesting. Look at this first. So, what was that? That was. Yeah, there we are. What I was looking for. But it does not seem to find anything. Why not? Because it's a class library. Oh, how did I do this before? It's been so long. Right, okay, let me have a think here. I mean, it's not end at world if I can't do it right now, but still. I don't need that. Ooh, Pepe. Okay. Right, okay. That's fine. I will think about that later. And for now, I will just do what I do. And that is figure out, well, not figure out, but do it manually. So, let's just that. Right. Let me have my helper class open on the right. Alrighty. So, let's see. Selected category. They're going to be selected menu item. And all we will do is do helper dot get tag content. And then do helper dot get tag, and then give it a selected menu item search tag. And the thing we want to find is category. Right. Okay. Enum dot parse the category types. I can't remember if does this. No, this doesn't have a type declaration there. It wants it here instead. Type of category types, and then the string we're passing it. Interesting. What is parse doing then? Converts the string representation of the name or numeric value to an equivalent enumerated object. No, that's not what I want then, is it? Let me have a look. What is it I want? It is... What is try parse output? I think it's try parse. So the string value is going to be... So let me just do that. Pass that in as the string. Out var category. Try parse. Yeah, so this wants a type argument, so this is going to be category types. Can close my helper class down, I'm done with that. Okay. So var selected category equals try that, and if so, out it to selected category. I don't think that's going to work. Yeah, no, I can't do that. Okay. I have to do it separate. Right. I am curious to see if ChatGPT can simplify this at all. Can this C# code simplified? Here we are, look. Yeah, that's what I was doing wrong. Yeah, it didn't work at first because I tried to give this the same name as that, but you can't do that. Perfect. Okay, I'm happy with that. Change ChatGPT. So, what we do now is we say if selected category is, we're going to see, and we're going to change to a currency selection screen. Else if selected category is equal to object, and then we'll have an else. Something went wrong. Back out of the menu. And output something with the log. Okay, cool. Right then, so at this point we theoretically have determined what option we've selected. So now we just have to focus on updating the screen. So I need to update the HUD state because I didn't finish this. So now we're going to have quantity select. It's going to be the next option. And what we're going to do, let's have a look up here. What did we do? So yeah, we want to play the sound. I'm going to get rid of this to do because it's doing it. Yeah, so we want to play the sound, set the state, and then change the layout to a specific thing. Okay. Oh, no. We don't want to do that yet. That is going to be based on what is done in here. Right. So. Yeah, we've got an action as being deposit or withdraw. Category types. Yeah, so we're not setting that yet. That is also something we get to set here. Pardon me. And then layout. Change layout to. Then we're going to give it something. Okay. Check and make sure that's actually set up that way. Okay. Yeah, cool. Okay. Okay, cool, 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 cool. No doubt, no doubt, no doubt. Nice. Right. Theoretically. Actually, before I do that. Push log. You've selected an object category. Okay. Let me just double check. Yes, they are all turned on. So, yes, if we are incredibly lucky, and I am somewhat competent at programming, should be a new one on me, then it should hopefully work. Clear that out. Pause it. So theoretically now then, if I click either of these two, nothing should happen, but I should see something show up in the logs to say that I've selected an object type. Instead, I got an error. Right, what have we got? Helper class, get tag contents. So this happened on line 147. So something here is null. Let's think. So we've got a selected menu item. So let me think. That should be all right. Oh, that's the problem. I told it to look for that with a dollar symbol in front of it, but it couldn't find anything with a dollar symbol because I didn't give it one. Let's try that again. Right. Try this again. Don't crash. Damn it. Simplest. Okay. Right, let's try and set up some login. So, if selected menu item is null, helper.push log selected menu item is null. Else if selected menu item dot search tag. No, not quite. String dot is null or empty. Helper dot push log. Selected menu item search tag. Yeah, that'll do. Otherwise, let's print out what is the actual menu item tag. And we will return so we don't cause any crashes. Let's get our debug on. Category object. That seems fine to me. Okay. Category, no spelling error there. Okay, there could be a problem with the get tag stuff. I mean, I did just haphazardly put it in there without really thinking too much about it. So let's see, get tag contents. Let's think about what these are all doing. Let me reopen my helper class. New window. So we're calling get tag contents and get tag. Get tag contents is being used. So it's just the string version. Contents the string version. So yeah, first we're getting the first thing we do is getting a tag. Let's look for that first. Get tag, tags. Right, here we are. Tags. Ah, here we are. Okay, so we're doing this to lower stuff. I forgot that I use to lower. So theoretically, it's just that. If I am lucky. All commented out stuff. Yeah, okay, that's good. Not all commented out, which is what I wanted. Okay. I didn't get an error. But I also didn't get what the output I was expecting either. So I think I can get rid of this stuff. Oh, there we are. Help, push log, selected category, that's a string. And we'll see what it is we're trying to compare with. Right, so we're not updating that properly. So the next thing I want to check is the output of this. Because if we can't parse whatever this thing is, then it's obviously not coming out correctly. Object yeah, object is a valid option as well. But we might just not be getting the correct output. Yeah, it's coming out as lowercase. Okay, I think I saw that there was an overload for try-parse that had a Boolean option there for ignore case. Yes, there is. And now it shouldn't matter that it's a lowercase word of object. Okay. Hey, there we go. Perfect. Okay, those two are good. And if I click this one, this hopefully will take me to the quantity selection screen. Look at that. Obviously, this does nothing yet. But I am happy with that. Okay, so bank category. So we'll do another one for private. Void bank quantity selection checks. And we're just gonna have one check in here for now. If helper.cancel button is pressed, then second. Then what we're doing here, we want to check what the current category type is. So let's do a switch on category, case currency, category equals none, layout handler set state category select layout handler dot change layout to layout handler dot bank bank. No, it's not that one. It's category options or category selection, and then break object. Actually, no. Oh, no, wait, hold up. No, this isn't right. No, I don't want that. Let me just check this Discord message. So determine whether we've come from the object selection screen or category selection screen. Actually, I already know how to do that. If no, that's not right. It is not right at all. Yeah, no, let me rewrite what to do. Determine whether we come object selection screen or category selection screen. Return to the correct previous screen. List the result. Yeah, let me have a think. So category. Oh, wait. No. I think I can determine it all right. I was being silly. If category equals currency, then category is now going to equal none. Layout handler.set state back to option select. Layout handler.change layout to category selection. Play the sound effect. Turn. Else. Category. Is going to remain unchanged. Yeah, no, I'll just put a to do here for now. Okay. Okay. Okay, if I'm right. Get rid of that, don't need that now. So obviously these still do nothing. This one should take me to quantity selection. And then if I press escape, just to confirm, I can't do anything other than mess with the controls. But if I press escape, it should take me back to the category selection. Yes, perfect. Ooh, interesting. Why was that? Right. Get selected menu item. The string for that. Oh, wait. No. Yeah, no, that is right. That is right. Determine the category. Selected category is currency. Jeez. Okay. Then when we hit escape, category is back to none. Option select is done. Interesting. I'm unsure off the top of my head as to why that's happening. But I will put a to-do on here and figure it out. Right, okay. I'm going to call it there, and thank you all for watching. I know my original intention was to check out some of the DLC, specifically Ultimate Modular Swords DLC, which is on offer, 10% discount till November the 6th. However, other duties are calling, and I will be either taking another look at them next stream, or I will make a bit more detailed post about them on Twitter, X, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'll catch you all there. Have a good night, everyone. Bye bye.